Let's solve this together. It says m cubed plus 5m is equal to 42. We're going to solve for m in this question. Okay? And the first thing we're going to do is to say that m into m squared plus 5 is equal to 42. Okay? Now, we have to find the value for m. We can substitute here. Now we multiply with this, we give us 42. Now what are the multiples of 42? 42 is equal to 21 times 2. Okay, we have 42 as well to be equal to 14 times 3. Okay, so now let's check. 3, if m is equal to 3, 3 squared is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. Hence we can conclude that m is equal to 3. Okay, so we can call this m1. And why I'm calling this m1? The reason I'm calling this m1 is because the equation says m cubed plus 5m is equal to 42. The highest power of m here is 3, meaning that we are going to have 3 answers in this equation. Okay, so we're having m cubed plus 5m to be equal to 42. Now, bringing this over here, we have m cubed plus 5m minus 42 is equal to 0. Okay, now if you look closely here, you see that we have our m to be equal to 3. So from here, we can say that if m is equal to 3, it implies that m minus 3 is equal to 0. M minus 3 is equal to 0, meaning that m minus 3 is a factor of this equation. And when we divide this equation by its factor, we will get the second factor. Okay? Now, m cubed divided by m is m squared. M squared times m is m cubed. M squared minus times minus 3 is minus 3m squared. When we subtract, we have plus 3m squared. We can bring down this to give us plus 5m here. 3m squared divided by m is plus 3m. 3m times m is 3m squared. 3m times minus 3 is minus 9m. When we subtract, we have 9 plus 5, which is 14m minus 42. 14 divided by m is 14. 14 times m is 14m. Times minus 3 is minus 42. When we subtract, we have 0. Okay? Now, this means that m minus 3 will multiply m squared plus 3m plus 14 to give us our m cubed plus 5m minus 42. And altogether, this is also equal to 0. Okay? Now, moving on from here, we can say, let's now factorize this. So we have m squared plus 3m plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay? Now, solving this quadratic equation, we use the quadratic formula to solve it. And we know that our m here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay? Where a is the coefficient of m squared, b is the coefficient of m, and c is the constant term. So that our m here will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 14 is 42 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus or minus roots negative 33 divided by 2. Okay, this is now equal to minus 3 plus or minus I root 33 divided by 2. Okay, so this is our m2 and m3 respectively. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.